Hi there, students. To incommode or to discommode. Okay, these mean to make somebody uncomfortable, to cause discomfort, to cause somebody trouble, to make them feel uncomfortable, to cause inconvenience or trouble for somebody. So the construction work to the bridge incommoded the residents for many months. The fact that her car broke down and was going to take a month to be repaired didn't discommode her seriously. So to bother, to disturb, to trouble, to inconvenience, to put out, to make something more difficult. Let's see, I think the meaning is similar between the two, although I think perhaps to incommode is a little bit more formal and a little bit more old-fashioned. To incommode, I think I'm going to give, for example, I'm going to give to incommode a 6.5 in formality, and then to discommode a 6. Yeah, so I think, yeah, incommode has got a touch more formality, but I think that's the only difference. So to inconvenience somebody, to cause them discomfort, to disturb them. Millions of travellers were incommoded by the strikes. The snow on the road incommoded the trip greatly. The dancer was incommoded by this difficult costume that was very bulky. In legal terms, they use the word to incommode, talking about civil disobedience. Okay, so you could be charged with obstruction or incommoding during a protest. Okay, so discommode, to cause inconvenience, to cause problems, to make things more difficult, more bothersome. Literally to disturb their somebody's comfort. To make something more problematic. Okay, so incommode from French Incommode, discommode is from the same idea or the same root, commode, commodus. Okay, so commodus, modus, with a manner, with a bound, with a limit. Okay, so to incommode, to make something inconvenient. I hope I haven't incommoded you too much. To put somebody to inconvenience. I hope my presence hasn't discommoded you terribly. The users of the rail network were greatly incommoded by the strike. When I travel, when I go on holiday, I try to avoid incommoding myself with large amounts of luggage. There was a great upheaval during the French Revolution, which incommoded many aristocrats, or did more than that. The wounds to his arms did not incommode him as much as the wound to his leg. So incommode, I was incommoded by the traffic, in, not, and commodus, Latin, convenient. Okay, so I'm sorry to have discommoded you, to have troubled you, to have inconvenienced you. The road closures will incommode the morning commute for many drivers. The heat and humidity incommoded the runners during the marathon. Don't let this small space incommode you. We'll just have to make do. Yeah, we'll have to do what we can. To discommode. We were discommoded by his late arrival. Sorry. I hope my surprise visit has not discommoded you. Okay, so to make problematic, to give inconvenience, to cause distress to cause trouble. The breakdown of the car incommoded us, but not seriously. To bother, to inconvenience. Yeah, I will not incommode you further, and I shall leave right now. To discommode, to cause annoyance. Yeah, I hope this won't discommode you greatly. Okay, so his absence incommoded the whole team. Would it incommode you if I used your computer for a while? Will it discommode you if I open the window? Okay, so yes, don't ask others to be faultless. We only ask that their fault should not incommode us. My surprise visit has discommoded you. I was discommoded by his late arrival. Okay, so incommode, discommode. Bye for now.